Hello, friends, and happy birthday, DeAndre. I hope you have the most wonderful day. Here we go. The month is October. It is October 8th. So let's fill in our date. Ready? October is the 10th month. October 8th, 2020. Put it in word form. October 8th, 2020. I know today is Thursday, so I hop backwards to yesterday. And yesterday was Wednesday. I know that tomorrow will be my favorite day of the week. Friday, woo woo! Alright, yesterday we had been at school 18 days, 18 plus one more. I know this rod represents 10. It's one group of 10. And I know I have 9 units, which makes 19 days. Let's make 19 cents. I'm going to make it a different way. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Know these words. Here we go. Put, very, buy, could, to, some. We are counting to 120 today. Take a deep breath. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Counting with me? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Almost there. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120.